Hello, I'm Steve with Dynavistics, and I'm excited to give you a quick overview of Acumatica. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need solutions that are dynamic and adaptable, and that's where Acumatica comes in. Acumatica is a modern ERP born this century. In 2008, Acumatica started down the road to create an accounting system focused on small and mid-sized businesses, leveraging the expertise of channel partners to sell and deploy. Acumatica is focused on investing in product development. Born in the cloud from the beginning, Acumatica provides high availability, remote collaboration, mobility, security, and open standards. It is available anytime, anywhere, and is device agnostic. You can work from your desktop, your tablet, or even your smartphone. At the heart of Acumatica is the General Business Edition. It is modern, comprehensive, and extendable. Complete financials with embedded CRM offering advanced financials, CRM reporting, and dashboards, project accounting, payroll, and mobile app. Thousands of small and mid-sized businesses across dozens of industries utilize the General Business Edition, such as banking and finance, education, hospitality, legal, oil and gas operations, property management, transportation and logistics, and many others. Extending the General Business Edition is the Industry Editions. If your organization is in manufacturing, construction, distribution, retail, or professional services, there are specific editions offered to meet your needs. Unique to Acumatica is a customer bill of rights, 10 items that Acumatica commits to their customers. Number 2 is unlimited user access. With the consumption-based licensing, you can have unlimited users in the system. You do not need to limit users based on a purchased user count. Number 8 is own and access your data. Acumatica offers what its competitors do not: full access to your data in a usable format, now and always. No additional fees are charged to own or access your own data. And number 5, deploy in a public or private cloud. You have the choice of deployment models. Unlike other modern ERPs, Acumatica can host and manage the application and the data, or if you prefer, you can deploy in your own data center and manage it with your own IT group. Unlimited users, no per-user fees, and choice of deployment options. This is why Acumatica is the fastest-growing cloud ERP company for the past 8 years. With 10,000-plus customers, 290 independent development houses creating add-ons, and a Net Promoter Score of plus 34. Now that I've told you a little bit about Acumatica, let's take a look at that demo. Let's get logged into Acumatica. Anywhere you have access to the internet, you will have access to Acumatica. These include using desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Once you are connected to the internet and logged into Acumatica, you will be able to get to the critical information you need. Configurable permissions can be set up so that each user will only have access to the screens, transactions, and fields they need to do their job. Now let's move on to cover navigation. Here on the left side of the screen, you have tools that are called Acumatica Work Centers, and each workspace is configured around a different process area. For example, an accounts payable clerk would have new bills, new payments, vendor details, along with reporting, whereas an accounts receivable clerk would have the inverse, such as new invoices, new payments, new customers, along with reports and profitability analysis. These workspaces are designed to have each user be as efficient as possible. We saw the links in the workspaces that users can go to get to detailed information inside of Acumatica. The other way to navigate Acumatica is with the universal search. So if I type in sales order, we get a list of inquiries and reports and preferences that come through. We can also drill to help topics related to sales orders, look at our file repository, and even go to transactions and profiles. And in this case, if the customer is calling and has a document number, we can put the document number in the search and go to transactions and profiles to see that document in a short amount of time. You can jump to anything here from these highlighted areas. So if we go to, sales order margins or something along that line, you get a grid of the information that is in place, and you can work with that information or you can jump to something new. Dashboards are a defining part of Acumatica. Dashboards can be focused on what a user needs. In this case, the controller is focused on the business, health, and finance, and has tiles that represent key indicators that may be needed, such as total AR or AR overdue, or down here, cash positions. Now, each of these tiles you can click and drill into the details, but you can also design this tile system by moving them around, by deleting them, or by adding new charts, data tables, links, Power BI tables, or even a wiki page into your dashboard so that it is relevant and giving you the exact information that you need. Manage your entire business on a single future-proofed cloud platform. Acumatica is feature and function rich, including roles-based security, real-time data analytics and business intelligence, flexible tiered configuration available, such as multi-tenant and multi-company and dimensional and multi-language, workflow, and much more. Thank you for joining me today for a short look at Acumatica accounting software. For more information, you can reach us at info@dynavistics.com or call on the number on the screen. Have a great day, and thank you.